What will you find inside the travel bag of a travel blogger? Are you traveling? Do you wish to turn your passion into your profession? It's easy. All you got to do is know the nitty-gritty of traveling, starting from what's usually inside the bags of the travel blogger. As a travel blogger, most of them often have to travel via airports, fly to places close and far, enjoy cruises and road trips. They love to do all of this. To be a regular and professional traveler implies to be prepared. Their travel bags are often packed with essentials as well as comfort products to render their journey a fun one. But what's in their travel bag? First of all, they've got to get a big travel bag when on their journeys. Many tend to fly with tote bags from travel bag manufacturers so that they can hold a wide variety of things and have convenient access to them. The things in most travel bloggers' travel bags include valuable items. Please don't put your valuables in your bag. In addition to your passport, ID, and wallet, we suggest that you carry your iPad, costly jewelry and camera, etc. in your travel bag. Many of them won't even put their branded sunglasses in their luggage. Whether your baggage doesn't arrive with you or you're stranded, you have the peace of mind because you've got your possessions with you. Passport. A daily message to yourself as you fly overseas to note to secure your passport will leave you with the thought of just keeping it in your travel bag. If you got some sort of wanderlust tendencies, put your passport inside your travel bag. Travel pillow. Not everybody is traveling with a travel pillow. This depends on how long the trip takes and how it fits in their travel luggage. We enjoy aircraft with elevated side panels in the head section and even better taking foreign flights that seem to have a cushion and a blanket. Have you been on an airplane only to keep waking up to your head bobbing everywhere? Disappointing. So, imagine purchasing a pillow that shrinks to its bag in size. It is great for packing into your unique travel case. Reading materials. iPods are perfect for reading. You will get both the Kindle app and the ebooks full of novels. Therefore, make sure to put some sort of reading content in your travel bag. Business owners, get in touch with a popular bag manufacturing company to see what is trendy amongst travelers these days. Understand the market and its demands before place your bulk order to the support team of the company accordingly.